1972 Ford F100. You're watching WHLWRKS.
What up guys, it's G. It's my 72 F100. It's currently sitting on some Lexani 24-inch cast wheels, but that will change today. As you can tell, the truck's been through a lot. Engine, supercharged, sitting on a 4-link suspension. Got this fancy ass paint job.
When'd you get the paint job? Wasn't it recent?
Yeah, I painted this about 3 months ago now. Brakes done all the way around.
I know you did something. You have a 4.5 bolt pattern. What did it come off of?
All right, so if you want to get into details about that, we could get into details. So in the front, we got a Crown Vic swap front, 5x4.5 bolt pattern in the front, and in the rear, we have a Ford Explorer rear end with also a 5x4.5 bolt pattern. And now this is going to be the cool part. Because we did that Ford Explorer rear end, that's when we're going to be able to do these new wheels. And yeah, you'll see what's going to happen
and because G did that, the lip is massive, man. It's going to look so good, change the whole look of the truck. And we're going to distinguish that staggered fitment like what G wanted.
If you want to take a peek back here, that's what we're going with.
Yeah,
305s.
Tell us about your interior, because I know your interior, you've done some work to it too.
Yeah, so mind you, it's a Resto Mod truck. I had to go power windows, AC, heat, Apple CarPlay, Dakota Digital Dash. I mean, everything's done in there.
All right, guys, so here we have Anthony just literally, making himself at home with the customer's car, Just so you guys know, today is just a test fit day. These wheels are actually custom ordered, custom made, so they are going to take about 2 to 3 weeks for them to arrive. So we had to make sure to get them here in the shop to make sure everything is going to fit. That way we have no problems when the wheels actually get here.
You can stick with the 10s and go 3-piece and go with like a...
Whatever gets me the biggest lip, that's all I really care about, and running 305s.
It's a 305/35.
Yep, 305/35, yes sir.
I don't know, G. I don't think you have room for 12, man.
I'm fine running it on a 10. Whatever gets me the biggest lip, I'm not tripping.
That shit is way louder, bro.
Dude, I felt that. Oh my gosh.
6 something?
That shit feels way more than 600 horsepower. You know what? It changed the whole look of the truck with the paint.
I think the wheels is gonna set it off.
Wheels, final touch.
That's it, bro.
Well, with that big ass slit, bro. I didn't think that fucking adapter was so thick, G. That shit's like 3 inches, bro.
Carlos was saying 6-inch lip?
6-inch lip, it would be like a freaking -10.
More. Because remember, we're running, it's a 0 right now, and we're running like a 3-inch adapter.
Oh shit, so it'd be like, I'll say -40.
Yeah.
That way you have a clearance. Because you're running 10s, right?
I think so. I mean, unless we do 12s. Well, that's what we'll see.
Yeah, but see, the thing is the tires.
305/35 this time.
That's why 10s.
Right now it's 295 and 275 in the front. So I'm going to go up a size.
Well, let's just measure out what the offset is right now with that adapter. And then if you want 11s, we can just do the math and convert it into whatever that convert into and just leave the lip the same.
Yeah, but if you go 11s, what tire are you going to run?
He wants to go 305.
That's why, then leave it at 10. So that way the tire won't be stretched.
All right, so G, so you've been a customer of ours since the 90s.
Forever and a day.
Forever and a day.
I said I bought my first set of 28s.
Was it like in 2000?
No, I bought my first set of 22s for the Charger. It was a 2005 Charger, so.
How's everything been, like, over all the years, all the sets of wheels you've gotten?
Man, customer service, next level, as you know. If you guys watch the YouTube video that's coming up, which shop is gonna let you do a burnout and bring your truck up here, record it, test fit wheels, confirm fitment, everything. They just go above and beyond for their local customers.
Right there, right now.
Yeah.
Anthony and Jose trying to figure out what's gonna work.
So how many sets have you bought from us?
Sets? I have no idea. I've lost count. I'm well into the 20.
You're into 20s?
Yeah.
20 sets of wheels from Audio City
sets
USA.
of wheels, dude. That's crazy.
Dude.
It's almost family.
He's literally, what do you mean almost, bro? He is family at this point. I mean, he literally pulled up in the OG vintage AudioCityUSA t-shirt.
that was one of our first.
This is one of our first t-shirt drops. We got to get you on the anti-stock wheels club.
He's literally the
I
definition
got 22s on a Tesla. I'm
Oh,
just
literally.
saying.
7-inch lip is the max you can get. Because
Okay, right
your
here?
wheel's already like right here.
Okay.
So
Negative 60.
so it fits right here. So 3.5.
Wait,
So
put it
it's a
back, put it
24 by 10 with a 3.5-inch back spacing. So with the center sitting on the wheel, 7 inches is the most you can get versus what is this? 3.5-inch lip. So from 3.5 to 7-inch lip. Like my truck, I have to tell mine to get a big ass lip.
Well, look at what I was telling you, like just space-wise, from inner fender to 14 inches.
What I'm always concerned about, because the tires are 305, it being so wide, it's touching the top right here.
Again, you guys are experts. All I care about is the biggest lip. I don't care if it's 10, 11,
Then let's just do the
12.
10, and we can just do that fucking negative 60 offset we're gonna do.
Yeah, whatever gets me the biggest lip.
That's it. That's the most.
Because that's the whole point of doing this time is to get a big lip.
Carlos,
I mean,
hey, so 2410, negative
leave it at
60.
60?
It's like a 3-inch back spacing. The caliper sits behind the rotor, so you can flatten the pad as much as possible to get the lip, maximize the lip.
What's measured just like basic for the lip size? 7, 8?
I came up with 7 inches. As far as 7.5-inch hoop with the 7-inch lip exposed.
Well, what he wanted to know, what Carlos asked for, was how much from here to here. That's what he wants to know.
Carlos, it's about, realistically, like if I'm doing the math 100%, it's 9.25. From the mounting pad to the edge of the fender, it's about 9.25.
So that's about right, because usually with the beat of the lip, you get 9.5.
So I'm thinking like the max you can get is what, 7.5-inch lip on this, 7-inch on the exposed with the center.
I would say 8 or 9.
So this is what I mean when I say we really go to full length. We got one of the owners of Lexani on the phone just to make sure this is going to work.
Jeez, dude. Look
Merry
at that.
Christmas.
Right?
That is so cool.
All right, new wheel on the jack. Took off the old, in with the new in just a couple minutes.
Wheels are finally done. Moment of truth of measuring. I don't think we messed up. I think we measured right, and I think it's gonna be on point. It's gonna be a banger, man. Let's fucking go. Come on.
Nope.
So what does that mean?
We're gonna have to rehoop it to a 24 by 7 instead of the 8.
So this won't work.
Well, probably could, but you'd have to roll this whole fender in there, which is the paint's brand new.
Let's see when he puts it down.
It's too close, G. I can see it from here. I didn't.
But yeah, it is. It is the same guy. Sorry, I couldn't think about it. It's F100.
Dude, that could work.
It seemed, what about the inner on the top, Jose? He's right there, bro. He's right there.
Bring him down. Don't be scared. Not my car.
Yeah, but you don't want to scratch the lip.
Come down, fool.
If we have to
It's down.
rehoop it.
Go,
That's
go.
it?
There. There, come here. I think it'll work.
Get in.
More.
Wait.
So with 3 men in the bed, it's not rubbing.
Okay, I think if that tire doesn't overlap the wheel too much, we'll be fine. It's literally away from it, from that fender, like maybe 5 millimeters.
All right, let's check the front, because that's the one I'm worried about.
Fuck, it's fucking like right there.
No. Before that, I had to.
Okay, we're gonna be testing the other side because sometimes the axle isn't exactly straight or the body's not exactly straight.
It's always put to one side.
Exactly, it's not perfectly centered, so let's hope this side fits as well.
A lot of times with older trucks, even my own C10, one side always tucks in more than the other. One wheel might rub, another one might, it'll just tuck in more. So that's why we're double checking both sides. This one's closer, is it?
You have to roll this fender.
It's touching.
It's touching?
Yeah, barely. Gee, we have to push in that fender. It's too flush, bro. It's like right on there.
Yeah.
Watch, jump up and down.
Yeah, you got a pipe?
Slow down. Stop.
So you got a grinder?
How
We're
flush it is.
so close right there. So on that fender. The only way to be able to install this $9,000 set of wheels
Yeah.
is to roll the fender.
And we're gonna shave we're gonna do both. We're gonna shave 5 millimeters on the wheel and then shave off the fender a little bit. Hopefully that'll give us the clearance we need to clear those tires. Because it's too flush. It's way too flush. We need to tuck in a little bit more.
But before we do any of that, we're gonna be test fitting the front wheels. All right, we are looking good on that front wheel. We are good on clearance right there. That looks incredible. Since the lip is a lot smaller, you can really tell it's a staggered fitment.
100%.
Not only are we selling it, we're selling it.
That's money.
I feel better.
Money, money, money,
So
money.
now, shave the back and roll the fenders.
It's either that or we lose a whole inch of lip.
No, let's do it. We're here. We get it done. We got CNC machines in-house.
Yeah,
we're gonna
so
go get this done. We're here. Let's make it happen.
Let's make it happen, Caesar.
Let's go.
Woo!
That's the sound of money.
Meanwhile,
No more harsh edges, so the tire is totally fine.
You're a beast.
Now I have to clean it, you know?
Yeah. Special.
This piece of metal was a Ford fender 5 minutes ago.
Was.
Was.
Now it's scrap metal.
Now it's a really big mustache. Putting a tire on that. What do you think, bro?
Looking good.
Looking good. That is clean. And of course, just getting a brake refresh too.
Yeah.
Dude, look at that fitment. Gee, you're dialed.
Oh, let's fucking go. What's up, guys? So we finally finished up the F100 and it looks phenomenal. Big shout out to Lexani Forged, Sniper Forged, Lexani Tires, working with us for the WHLWRKS program. G, what do you think of the final outcome?
Man, I'm loving it. That back lip is insane.
Yeah, that 8-inch lip on there is honestly the final touches this truck really needed. I think it's finally done, G.
And mind you, it's not tub. That's the thing. It's not mini tub.
I'm really happy with the way it looks. We had to do some modifications to make this crazy fitment fit. Look at it. Look how tight this is, guys. I can't even put my finger in there. But that's what we do here. We make sure stuff like that can be done, and we make it happen here.
Guys, if you like this type of content and you want to be in WHLWRKS, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we got tons of more content just like this.
If you're ready to get rid of those stock wheels and you want to ride some aftermarket wheels, the best of the best, give us a call, follow us, and we'll help you guys out.
it.